Hey everyone, just a really short video here to show off some of the progress in the Aztez replay system. It's actually a system that we're just going to use on the development side of things to record people's games when they're playing as testers. So it has an autoplay button in the very top left there that I can check and then just watch the replay. And we're only recording like every 10 frames of game stuff, so there's interpolation between those states. So the camera actually feels a lot more floaty, the characters sometimes feel a little bit floaty, but it's definitely enough to see what's happening in the game. But the really cool system is that you can uncheck autoplay and just scrub time to any position. And that's what I was working on in the stream today, was getting all the character gear pieces working. So like the ear dangles and the loincloths and all like the shields and wrist guards. And there's a kind of a neat side effect is that in this scene, time is always moving forward. So the birds in the background and the waterfalls and things are actually just moving. So when I snap these characters around by quickly dragging, like all their there's like inertia applied to all of their like headdress pieces and loincloths and stuff, and it's kind of this weird time is paused but not effect, which is kind of neat. There's a couple other weird side effects, like the legacy particle system inside of Unity you can't apply seeds to, so like any legacy non-shuriken particle system kind of jitters like this, because whenever you change its time it's getting a new seed. And then some of the positions are a little bit off for kind of esoteric internal reasons. But yeah, I can now change weapons, so at some point here I have the sword, and then a little bit later I switch to the club, and then at the end I do a pretty sweet God mode sacrifice. So yeah, the only other thing that we're not tracking now is the blood particles, like when I start sucking up the blood, which is what I'm doing here in the air. And that's just, there's no real reason to track all the individual particles. So as soon as you suck up blood in the game, particles that are kind of there get deleted and then pushed into this different system, and I'm just not going to bother to track that because this is pretty close to, we can deploy this, and like the replay files are just 200k or so for a full 5-minute match, and then just upload them for all the games. Just going to see what people are up to. Thanks for watching, everyone. All right, later.